Could Meghan Markle be the next big culinary star on Netflix? The Duchess of Sussex was recently spotted at a farmer's market in Montecito, fueling rumors about her latest project. What's she cooking up? Stay tuned to find out. Meghan Markle, looking effortlessly chic in blue and white stripes, was seen picking up fresh produce in Montecito. What's this all about? Let's dive into the details of her upcoming Netflix show and more. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. Today, we're talking about Meghan Markle's exciting new venture into the world of cooking and lifestyle. Recently, Meghan was spotted at a farmer's market in Montecito, dressed casually in a striped t-shirt, blending in effortlessly as she shopped for fresh ingredients. The Duchess of Sussex appeared to be in her element, enjoying the sunny California day and largely going unnoticed by passers-by. After gathering her supplies, Meghan reportedly headed to a nearby Netflix-rented estate to continue filming her upcoming cooking show. The show, still untitled and awaiting an air date, promises to celebrate the joys of cooking, gardening, entertaining, and friendship. It's part of Meghan and Harry's impressive $100 million deal with Netflix. A Hollywood insider revealed that filming has wrapped up successfully. Filmed at a beautiful estate just 2 miles from Meghan and Harry's Montecito mansion, the show features Meghan in a setting filled with avocado trees and lemon groves. The production included visits to local spots like Florabundance, a renowned florist in Carpinteria. Meghan's show has an impressive team behind it. Directed by Michael Steed of Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown fame, and including Leah Harrington, showrunner for Selena Plus Chef, this project is set to bring a high level of expertise to the screen. Fans speculate Meghan might be joined by professional chefs for exciting cook-alongs. Interestingly, this project follows a personal touch from Meghan. She recently sent out exclusive jars of homemade jam from her brand, American Riviera Orchard, to friends and family. This new venture aligns with her brand, which plans to offer a wide range of household products. Meghan was also seen last week in Los Angeles, sparking rumors of additional projects. A TikTok video showed her participating in a photo shoot, though sources confirmed it wasn't related to the Netflix show, as all necessary filming had been completed. That's a wrap for today's video. What do you think about Meghan Markle's new cooking show? Are you excited to see her culinary skills on Netflix? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Celeb Explore Hub.